Hey, how's it going everyone? This is Chris from Feldmann Imports. Today we're taking a look at a certified pre-owned 2018 GLC 300 4MATIC. This one is a lunar blue metallic. Underneath the hood is a 2-liter 4-cylinder turbo with 241 horsepower and 273 pounds of torque. This one has 18-inch 5-spoke wheels, a silk beige MB text interior with a natural grain brown oak light wood trim, panorama sunroof, GLC 300, 4MATIC badging, power liftgate, clean set of all-season floor mats, 60/40 fold-down rear seats, cargo cover, Premium 1 package with blind spot assist, Burmeister sound system, heated seats, heated steering wheel, smartphone integration with Android Auto and Apple CarPlay, steering wheel controls, paddle shifters for extra performance, a push start ignition, media display, rear view backup camera, dual climate controls, hard keys for media display, cup holders, turn wheel for infotainment center, dynamic selects for different driving patterns. This GLC has 31,343 miles, Carfax and service records available online. If you'd like to view more photos of this GLC 300 4MATIC, visit us at feldmannimports.com.